How can you relate your personal stories to your characters in The Master Cutter?
Grabe yung tanong. Gusto mo mauna, baby?
Yung pinakasag!
Ate, okay naman. Actually, hi ate. Oy, grabe. Nandito lahat ng staff,
Hey,
ng
guys!
prod, ng Master Cutter. Congratulations, by the way! Congratulations to everybody. And gusto ko lang po magpasalamat din sa inyo, to all our media friends, to all who watched the pilot episode or the whole episode na napanood niyo po. Maraming salamat for, being here with us today. So to answer the question, yes, I'm really grateful. Kuya Jessril ko ba yan? Yes, isa po ako sa mga namigyan ng opportunity ng GMA po para mapabilang sa show na to, and I've always been grateful. I was always blessed with a lot of opportunities, and masaya lang po ako na sa role na to. It's kind of tailored for me, Provinciana, Kikay, parang si Shuvi lang din, pero sobrang blessed kasi kasama ang nag-iisang Mr. Tengtong Dantes. Kaya naman, sino po ako para humindi dito? Masaya lang po talaga ako na nakakasama ko pa ang mga cast. Ayun po. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shuvi. Si Charlie naman. Charlie.
Yeah, well, thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching our premiere tonight. Anyway, so somewhat similar to the character of mine, I'm actually really proud of my character. As you guys saw, Carla, little Carla, ito na po yung malaking Carla that you will see very very soon. Sana po abangan nyo yan. Actually, very unexpected. The backstory of Carla is somewhat super similar to me. As you can tell, yung character po ni Tito Simon here, playing Noel, medyo lasinggero yung dad. She's a Baclaran girl. She grew up around the streets. I'm just super proud to play someone so strong, because Carla is such a strong young girl who had to grow up in such a hard environment. So, somewhat similar lang po sa backstory ko that you guys are very familiar with, especially at TV if you've seen it. Yeah, thank you guys so much.
Thanks, Charlie.